Hey guys, how are you doing? So this is your Aravind from Explain Tech, and in this video we're gonna be doing the unboxing and have a first look at this iPhone XS Max 512GB version. And this is a silver color variant, guys. And you may be wondering why I'm trying to do this unboxing now, because this phone was launched just 4 or 5 months before. So just now I got hold of this phone. I bought it from Flipkart and thought of doing an unboxing and short review. I'm not gonna do a full review, just a quick review, and I'll be testing this phone for the coming couple of days, and I'll be trying out the full term review. So let's not waste the time. As usual, if this is your first time here, like, share and subscribe. So let's get into the video. And looking around the box, it's a 512GB version, and they have mentioned that, and it includes iPhone XS Max, the AirPods with Lightning connector, Lightning to USB cable, and USB power adapter. And they have said that it's a power adapter for iPhone, and that too for iPhone XS Max, but it's just a 5-watt charger, and they have not even supplied a 10-watt or 15-watt charger. This 5-watt charger can charge this iPhone XS Max in 4 hours 30 minutes. That's insane, right? I mean, insane means it's very long time, because nowadays the phones are charging the devices from 0 to 100 in just 30 minutes, like the R17 Pro, the Huawei Mate 20 Pro, and even the OnePlus 60 McLaren edition. So this is not good for Apple, because they're selling this phone for 1.5 lakhs, and they should have considered giving the 10-watt or 15-watt charger inside the box. So I thought they'll be giving the price details here, but they didn't give that. So here it is. They are saying that it's iPhone XS Max silver color version, 512GB color, and other details. Since it's a dual SIM model, like one is eSIM and another is physical slot. So down we have the Apple logo, side we have the iPhone branding, and up we have the Apple logo once again. So at the top of the box we have the the diagram of the device itself. This is how the XS Max it's gonna look from the front portion. And this is that wallpaper, that live wallpaper that I'll be showing you when I get inside the video. So let's open up the box and see what else we got inside the box. So guys, let's open up the box and see the contents inside. And guys, I've already broke the seal, because it's a hectic process to open the seals of Apple products. Not only this iPhone, even the iPads and MacBooks are like that. So open the seal. I've just opened the seal for the convenience. So let me take up the box. Ready, 1 2 3. So there we have the booklet straight away, and it says designed by Apple in California. Let's see what is inside that. So yeah, we have the Apple stickers as usual. Yeah, stick to the booklet. So yeah, we have the Apple stickers, 2 pairs of Apple stickers. Actually they used to give some tiny Apple stickers before. Now they have increased the size of the Apple logos, so that's okay. It says hello here. That's a nice welcome note. And some basic booklets, like the first time setup that you have to do if you're buying the iPhone for the first time. So just pause the video and see how it look like. And let's keep that aside and see what else we got. Some SAR value information and other stuff. So this is the SIM ejector tool. We don't want to get in depth in them, so let's open up and see what else we got. So we have the handset itself. Let me show you guys. So this is how the handset look like, and initial impression, guys, the phone weighs very high in the hand. So it's very stiff and rigid, and just resembles me of a brick, holding a brick in my hand. So it weighs nearly 220 grams, and then we can feel that weight in the hand if we take up the phone for the first time. And guys, to be noted that if you're okay with the weight only, you have to go with this device, or it's gonna be a very tough job for you. So look for that. So let's keep that aside and see what else we got. We have the tiny adapter. This is just the 5-watt adapter, and let me show you the rating. It's gonna be 5 watts, so don't want to show that. Actually, I'm not interested in Apple like just bundling a 5-watt charger for their 1.5 lakh phone. So that's not a good idea or a good move from the Apple. And they claim that they have to buy the fast charger for this, even though this phone has that fast charging support and wireless charging support. Everything you have to buy separately, and none of them will be included in the box. It's costing for nearly 6,000 rupees, the fast adapter for this phone. So that's like almost cheating their customers. And we have the the headphone for this phone. This is called the AirPods, and it's a lightning cable headphones, not a normal headphone jack headphones, so that's okay. This is the cable, USB lightning cable. We don't want to open up that. Let's keep all these things aside and come to the handset itself. So guys, this is how the handset look like, and let me put the device for the first time. I've already set up the phone for convenience because it's taking a lot of time to set up, so I just already set up the phone. So let me open up the start the phone. It gave me haptic feedback, and the Apple logo comes there. So it's booting up, and guys, this is selling for a very high price, like 1.5 lakhs. This color variant is selling for 1.3 lakhs, and we have two other variants like the gold color and the space gray, which are selling for 1.4 lakhs and 1.27 lakhs. So the pricing would appear to be very high because Apple has not yet set up a factory in India, and they are planning to do it in the very coming days, and they have planned to set up a factory in Hyderabad or Chennai. If that happens, the price of the devices would go nearly 50% down from the current price in India. So that would be a nice thing if Apple does that fastly to India. So let me, if we restart the phone, we have to give the password first. So go, yeah, this is how the home screen looks like, and that's the default wallpaper that we have. And let me show you the Face ID. So it's very fast, guys. As you can see, it opened up like, let me show again. As you can see, as soon as I show my face, it opened. Yeah, it opened, and it's very fast. Let me open up the apps and show you how fast it is. Very fluidic and non-laggy. This gesture was almost copied by every Android smartphone, and it's worth it because the navigation gesture in iPhone is the best so far. It's very fluid, as you can see, very fast and responsive. The apps close as soon as they are being pushed up. So no lag at all, 0% lag. Previous Apple devices used to be somewhat laggy, but this time they have corrected that and given a perfect phone. Actually, there are also other variants like the 10s and 10R, but I think this is going to be the best buy because it has got that massive battery, but it's nearly taking 4 hours 35 minutes to charge this phone completely from 0 to 100. And these are the quick settings. As you can see, the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are turned on. So this is the quick settings. So usually we have the quick settings like this, but this time they have given like this, like we have to slide from the side to get to the quick settings, and in order to access the notifications we need to slide up from the top. And we have the shortcut for torch here, so it's not coming. Yeah, there it comes. So we just can toggle this to turn on or turn off the torch, and we can also go to the camera from here itself. So this is how the camera looks like, guys. I've also given some camera samples at the end of this video, so just make a look of it. So that will give you an idea how this phone performs in low latent outdoor conditions. So guys, if you do want a gaming review, separate gaming review and camera comparison of this device with other devices like the Note 9 or its rivals, do say your opinion in the comment section. I will be looking through it and trying to make a video on it. And as I said, if this is gonna be selling for a good price, or if you're getting this for a good offer, like if your friend is buying it from Dubai or Singapore or some other places, it's gonna be the best phone because this phone is cheaper there, but it's very costly in India. So if you're getting a good deal for this phone, just go with it. It's the best camera, the best battery, the best performance. Everything is being packed into this phone, so there's not going to be any problem with this. So guys, these were some of the sample shots taken with the rear camera of the iPhone XS Max, and as you can see, the images came out to be quite beautiful. The colors were punchy, but the saturation levels are still okay, not that great. And in this picture, if you notice, the green color of the plant is on a bit duller side. And guys, to be frank, the pictures taken with all iPhones don't have much colors or saturation levels in them, unlike the Samsung or Pixel devices. But they are still recognized for getting some good amount of natural color rendering in their pictures, and they could be seen reflecting in the pictures shown. And in this picture, if you notice, the trees located near the house are almost vanished or being poorly exposed, and this is still a problem with almost all iPhones not having good auto exposure technology compared to its rivals. So in this situation, we may need to adjust the exposure levels manually by tapping on the screen when a picture is about to be taken. And in this picture, if we notice, the trees behind the car in the background is almost vanished or highly exposed due to that poor exposure levels. Also, this picture is completely burned out due to the poor exposure technology from iPhone. So they should be fixing that with a future update. Recording this part of the video at its highest resolution of 4K 60 fps, and guys, as you can see, I'm walking with the device itself, and the auto exposure levels are done quite good in the videos department. Previously I said they are done poorly in the photos section, but weirdly they are done good in the video recording department. And as you can see, I'm walking down and up the stairs, but still the stability, the optical image stabilization is done very good even at its highest setting of 4K 60 fps. So this should give you an idea of how it performs in the outdoor conditions. Recording this part of the video with the rear facing camera of the iPhone XS Max, and the audio is also via the internal microphone of the device itself, and this should give you an idea of how it performs in outdoor lighting conditions at 1080p resolution. So guys, this is a slow motion sample taken with the rear camera of the iPhone XS Max, and this is recorded at 240 frames per second at 1080 pixels. So it's good that they are providing 1080 pixels for 240 fps, while other devices are only providing 720 pixel resolution. So this should give you an idea of how it performs with this slow motion video. So guys, that's a quick unboxing and review of this iPhone XS Max, and if you're not subscribed to this channel yet, do subscribe and hit the bell icon. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, bye and take care from Arvind Prasad.